Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I wanted to show you how I grew this beautiful plant, the Scilla Peruviana, in my backyard, and it all started like this. I was shopping at Costco one fall day and I found these bulbs in the back corner of the store. They had a ton of iris bulbs and the Scilla Peruviana, and of course they were on mega clearance for only $4.97, and I knew this was my opportunity to try growing a plant I hadn't tried before. Also, make sure to stay until the end of the video so you could see how I harvested these flowers and how I made a floral arrangement with them for one of my friends. The Scilla Peruviana bulbs look really similar to tulips in both size and shape. Now, because I had flowers growing in this pot prior to using it, like cosmos, zinnias, and marigolds, I am just adding some floral food to rejuvenate the soil. It's recommended to plant the bulbs about 8 inches apart and about 1 inch deep. Now, as you could see here, I am planting them a lot closer together than 8 inches, probably about 4 inches apart, and not very deep at all. You'll be able to see a little later. I'm planting them just enough to have the bulb covered, but the green little shoot coming out of the bulb, I'm not covering at all. Now, after planting, I just left the bulbs in full sun about 6 hours a day, and I just let the rain water them, and here's what we got. It was really nice to see the green foliage of the Scilla Peruviana during the winter when so many other plants are either in dormancy or not growing at all or really just dying back. This plant is thriving, growing, and it's so nice to be able to see changes. Every single time I go outside or every week I could see that there's, some progress and growth in the plant, and it's really needed in the middle of winter when really not much else is happening outdoors. Alright you guys, it is starting to rain and it's kind of perfect timing because I'm done with my bouquet. I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching this video. Thanks for hanging out with me. I hope you have a great day in your garden and I hope you maybe have slightly better weather than we're having right now. But honestly we appreciate the rain because it does cut down on the amount of watering and work I have to do here in the garden. Bye!